Start. Hello students, good morning. Today, this is your English grammar class, and in my last video, I have told you about the narration and the first rule. Again, I will repeat the first rule, how to change the direct speech into the indirect speech. Then the rule number 1. I have told you that if the reporting verb is in simple present or in the simple future tense, then the tense of the reported speech is not changed at all. Thus, if the reporting verb is in present, simple present tense or in simple future tense, then the tense of the reported speech is not changed at all. And the rule number 2 is, if the reporting verb is in past tense, then the verb in the reported speech is changed into a corresponding past tense. For example, if the reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense will be changed into a corresponding past tense. For example, present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite tense. Similarly, present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense. Present perfect change into past perfect tense, and present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous tense. So, if some of the students, even they have no knowledge of the tenses, they can understand it by this rule, present indefinite tense. It means in present indefinite tense there is first form of the verb, and then in the past indefinite we use second form of the verb. It means first form is changed into second form. Then present continuous tense, we use here is MR. Then this is MR is changed into was verb, because we use was or were in the past continuous tense. And similarly in the present perfect tense we use has, have. This has, have is changed into past perfect tense, that is had. We use had in past perfect tense. And present perfect continuous tense, has, we use here has been, have been. And this has been or has been is changed into past perfect continuous tense, that is had been. So once again, present indefinite is changed into past indefinite, present continuous changed into past continuous, present perfect is changed into past perfect tense, and present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. And the past indefinite is changed into past perfect tense. If there is past indefinite tense, then it will, in the indirect speech, it will be changed into past perfect tense. Then past continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. For example, he said I am busy. So therefore said is changed into said. He said. Now we have to remove the inverted commas and in its place we will put a conjunction that. And this is the first person, and first person is changed according to the subject of the repeating verb. So I is changed into he said that he. Ismr, as I told you, Ismr is changed into was verb. He was busy. So this is enough for today, and next of the rule we will discuss in the another video.